More than 400 years ago, Galileo heralded a new age of scientific research when he argued that the sun, and not the Earth, was the center of our world. Since then, scientific research has grown and progressed to become our most powerful means for separating fact from fiction. Alongside it has developed a system for funding research, reviewing data, and purposing that data to generate benefits and profits. This system is now so entrenched that people accept its flaws as the norm. To begin with, too few grant applications receive funding. This is rationalized as inevitable due to lack of sufficient funds, despite the enormous revenue-generating potential of scientific research. Inefficiencies, gaming, and wastages of talents, resources, and data are taken as a result of competition. However, competition is ill-suited for scientific research, since most researchers do not work on the same problem. The high failure rate of patents and field trials is rationalized as a consequence of the unknowns in the data, even though a large amount of related data exists underdeveloped due to lack of funding. Most of the data are too idiosyncratic to be useful, which is explained away as a problem with researchers. In reality, this is mostly due to the soft review system and people being possessive of their data in the hope of garnering funds for themselves. In the US, there are millions of people interested in scientific research, each with dreams of discovery, invention, solving a problem, or creating a business. Unfortunately, very few of them begin the journey, like graduate students who seek independent research opportunities but simply cannot find a job. Others who do begin have no guarantee that they will finish uninterrupted. There will be breaks in funding, lasting years. Many never recover and are forced out of research. Picture our current research system like the transportation system in the US 100 years ago, made up mostly of railways with service only between large cities, limited service, and low speed. It not only poorly served the main thoroughfares, but also underserved or ignored the vast areas in between. Just like that old transportation system, the simple fact is that the current system for project funding and data review, archiving, and purposing has become obsolete and ill-suited for handling today's vast scientific research enterprise. What if we can build a new system for scientific research that is more like the US transportation system today, with seemingly limitless pathways covering every conceivable and viable project in the research landscape? One in which everyone interested in research can realize their dreams by working with others to produce the most robust and valuable data possible from every project. What if the companies that serve the research community or use its data can increase their profits, much like businesses did after the national highway system connected the nation? What if educational institutions and nonprofits can use the system free of cost to enrich their missions? What if this new system can be built and maintained cheaply to enormously boost the volume, scope, and utility of scientific research from the money already available with the funding agencies? And what if this new system is efficient, effective, and resistant to gaming or socio-political interference? With your help, What If can become what is. We have the concept for a superior system for scientific research. It involves a novel and powerful revenue-generating infrastructure called the Universe of Research Niches, or TURN, that is coupled with a data trading-based system for project funding and data development. In this new system, any number of researchers can self-sustain their careers by conducting research on any subject matter, basic or applied, and produce data that are validated in different contexts and integrated with related data. You are now just a couple of clicks away from finding out how TURN will be used to create our new robust, limitless, and self-sustaining ecosystem for scientific research.